So this DT466 would not start. Chased around electrical problems for a little while and checked fuel pressures. All that stuff was good. Checked the engine oil level. That was good. We checked everything. Even checked this reservoir, which is behind. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a sensor right here. You check the reservoir for the high pressure oil system for the injectors, and that had oil in it, but it wasn't coming out the top. So I pulled that sensor out, turned the thing over, and guess what? Nothing came out of there, which it should have. And when you turn these engines over on the gauge, it should read engine oil pressure. So anyway, here's the old oil pump, which is actually not that horrible. I've seen worse, but I put a new one on, packed it with grease. Some say you can fill it, overfill it with engine oil. I'm not doing that right now, but I'm changing the oil filter, and I'm gonna see what happens. I got the new one in. And if that doesn't work, there is a valve in here. You gotta take the whole cover off. I really don't look forward to that, but let's see what happens.